In this video, we will look at the important areas of convergence between the Islamic laws of war and IHL. Under IHL, the principle of distinction obliges parties to the conflict to not target civilians or civilian objects and to limit attacks to combatant military objectives. Civilians may be incidentally harmed during a conflict but must not be deliberately targeted unless and for so long as they directly participate in hostilities. Similarly, the Quran requires that during hostilities, attacks only be conducted against enemy combatants. Fight in the cause of Allah those who fight you, but do not transgress limits, for Allah loveth not transgressors. Moreover, the Caliph, Hazrat Abu Bakr, addressing a Muslim army, said the following: I instruct you in 10 matters. Do not kill women or children, nor the old and infirm. Do not cut fruit-bearing trees. Do not destroy any dam. Do not cut the gums of sheep or camels except for purposes of eating. Do not burn date trees or submerge them. Do not steal from booty and do not be cowardly. This statement includes other protections found in IHL, namely a prohibition of pillaging, protection of the environment, and perhaps prohibits starving the enemy as a means of warfare. Also, where non-combatants were killed either intentionally or accidentally, compensation was given to their families. This is similar to the obligation to provide reparation found in Article 3 of the Hague Regulations 1907. Combatants were also supposed to distinguish themselves from non-combatants, as in the Battle of Badr, Muslim fighters were told to wear distinctive signs or uniforms to tell them apart from the enemy. Another important area of convergence is in the relationship to the rules applicable to those combatants held in detention, or prisoners of war. All able-bodied men that join the armed forces or engage in hostilities are considered combatants under the Islamic laws of war and acquire POV status upon detention. Islam obligates that those captured in war be treated well, not be tortured or mutilated, and be fed and given water. The Quran states, and they feed for the love of Allah, the indigent, the orphan, and the captive. Under the Sunnah, also, the Prophet, peace be upon him, had said, I command you to treat captives well. Moreover, combatant immunity was also a norm under the Islamic laws of war, as prisoners were not held accountable for the damage to Muslim life or property during battle, unless they were gross violations. Islamic law is incredibly progressive for its time in obliging parties which harm civilians to pay compensation and enshrining protections for prisoners of war. This video aims to shed some light on these two regimes of law and their intersection in a bid to contribute to encouraging compliance with both.